This is an application problem using the law of cosines. So I took one of these from the textbook, like that. All right. A Major League Baseball diamond has 4 sides forming a square whose sides measure 90 feet. So here's our square. There's 90 feet on all sides. All those sides are congruent. The pitcher's mound is 60.5 feet away. So this distance here is 60.5 feet. Here's home base. And we want to find the distance from the pitcher's mound to first base. So here would be first base at C, and we want to find this distance. All right, so I'm just going to clean that up. I'm going to focus on this triangle right here. This distance is 90, so I'm going to call that side A. This distance here is side C, and we want to find side B. This is a right triangle. This is also a right triangle. So to find this angle right in here, it's 45 degrees. How do you know that? It splits it down the middle. So angle B is 90 degrees divided by 2, or 45. So we're going to be working with this triangle. And we can use the law of cosines. We have a side angle, side triangle. We want to find side B. So, law of cosines for B. B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine of B. Now we substitute everything in. A is 90. C is 60.5. And then angle B, sitting right here, of 45 degrees. Type it in your calculator. Undo that squared by square rooting both sides. 4,060 as a square root is about 63.7 feet. So the distance from the pitcher to first base is about 63.7 feet.